Now let's go back to the stock market, because that's what matters for this show. The last time we had real stagflation, we didn't have automatic investments in stocks like we do now. I just contributed money to a stock mutual fund for my retirement account. I did it today. They told me I had to do it. It's automated. Creates a very different environment when it's automated. Sure, the professionals analyze everything through the binary prism of buying and selling. But the home gamers, especially the younger ones, they're not thinking, ooh, wow, stagflation, better head for the hills. Instead, they're like looking it up and Googling it. Instead, in this environment, they're thinking, it's easy to get a job. Interest rates are low. I can buy a house. I got the money. Okay, cars are harder to find, but only because they're not making a lot of them, not because I can't afford one. Why is it harder? Again, it's the chip shortage. Like with so many other products, I think the chip shortage will ultimately be conquered by this incredible thing we call capitalism. Someone will put up factories in conjunction with the automakers and solve the problem. It's just going to take time, possibly a long time. More on that later. In the end, time is what this moment's all about. We need time to beat COVID, time to plant more acres, time to get more chemical plants online, time to build semiconductor foundries, time for people to realize that they're running out of money and need to go back to work. While we wait, it'll be very easy for money managers to turn bearish. But the people whose money they run, they do not share that pessimism. They know that investing in stocks has been sensational. So while we wait for the world to go back to normal, don't let the stagflationistas scare you away from the stock market. Oh, they love to invoke the specter of the 70s to scare people away from stocks, but I think that's bogus. They can get the stock market lower, but that's an opportunity. We don't really have a stagnant economy. And to the extent it's slowing, I'm betting that will be pretty temporary. As for inflation, it's real. But we just need to buckle up and stop trading off every little tick of oil or every dime of ketchup. Maybe you have to drive a little out of your way to get to a Costco. Maybe you have to return to the workforce and mass transit once we beat COVID. It's not the end of the world, people. Bottom line, I say give it time and do not panic. It might surprise you how quickly things get better right when most money managers think that all is lost.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.